Hey guys, welcome to the second lecture of the chapter Introduction to Micro and Macroeconomics. In today's lecture, we are going to study meaning, definition as well as scope of microeconomics. Very simple and informative sort of lecture. Let us start with meaning. See, micro means what? Micro means small, a small part of anything, that is called micro. So microeconomics deals with a small part of the national economy. It studies about individual units, that is small units of the entire economy, such as individual demand, individual supply, individual consumer, individual producer, the price of a particular individual commodity, a particular factor, etc. So whenever we are studying something about individual, that becomes part of microeconomics. I hope you got the meaning. Let us move on to definition. Here I am taking very simple and basic definition, easy to remember. Maurice Dobb. So according to Professor Maurice Dobb, microeconomics is in fact a microscopic study of the economy. That's it. Very simple definition. I repeat, microeconomics is in fact a microscopic study of the economy. That's it. This is the simplest definition of microeconomics. Now let us move on to the scope. What is the scope of the microeconomics? That means in which all areas our microeconomics is very useful. So first area is theory of product pricing. See, here by product pricing we mean determining the price of an individual commodity. So how it is determined? The price of an individual commodity is determined by the market forces of demand and supply. Whatever is the demand for that particular commodity as well as its supply in the market, due to the interaction of that demand supply force, the product price is determined. The price of that particular product is determined. So microeconomics basically concerned with the demand analysis and supply analysis. So thereby microeconomics determines the product pricing, helps in the determination of product price determination. I hope you got the point. Next, second scope of microeconomics, theory of factor pricing. See, by factor pricing here we mean all of us already know that there are four main factors of production. Those are land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. So these are the four factors that contribute to the production process. So microeconomics helps us in determining all these factors of production's rewards. That means whatever reward these factors get in return for their production process contribution, that reward determination is done by the microeconomics. For example, land is rewarded with rent, labor earns wages, capital gets interest and entrepreneur is rewarded with profit. So this factor rewards, that is rent, wages, interest, profit, this reward is determined with the help of microeconomics. So thereby microeconomics helps in the theory of factor pricing. So all these factors of production, all the four factors of production are getting their prices, and that price is determined with the help of microeconomics. Which are the factors of production? Land, labor, capital, entrepreneur, and their factor prices are rent, wages, interest, profit. I hope this is clear. Moving on to the next, third area, that is theory of economic welfare. See, this theory of economic welfare means basically it deals with the efficiency in the allocation of resources. That means while distributing the resources, maximum efficiency should be achieved. This efficiency can be attained, it is attained when it results in the maximization of satisfaction of the people. That means whatever activity we are undertaking, maximum amount of people should derive satisfaction from that. So this theory of economic welfare is again bifurcated into three things. We are considering 3 points for this economic welfare theory. Those are as follows. First one, efficiency in production. It means producing maximum possible amount of goods and services from whatever amount of given resources. That means whatever resources we are having, with the help of those resources, we should try to produce maximum possible amount of goods and services. So here it is underlined, it is not said, but it is understood that we shouldn't waste any resources. There should be maximum utilization of the resources to produce the maximum amount of goods and services. So thereby we will achieve efficiency in production. Then second, efficiency in consumption. It means the distribution of produce goods and services among the people should be in such a way that the total satisfaction of the society should maximize. That means whatever goods and services are produced, they should be circulated and distributed in such a way that the maximum society should benefit. That is called efficiency in consumption. Maximum people should be in a position to consume those resources, consume those goods and services, and obtain benefit from it. That is the efficiency in consumption. And the last one, overall economic efficiency. It means the production of those goods and services which are most desired by the people. That means whatever is the people's requirement, that should be fulfilled first. So the priority should be given to the people's choice, and thereby we can achieve overall economic efficiency. So with this theory of economic welfare is over. These 3 points are considered. Now let us see overview of today's lecture. In short, I am revising today's lecture. First of all, we saw the meaning of microeconomics. Micro means small. So microeconomics studies small individual units. Then we have seen the definition. Definition by Maurice Dobb. Microeconomics is in fact a microscopic study of the economy. That was the definition. Then we also saw the scope of microeconomics, that is theory of product pricing, that means determining product prices. Then theory of factor pricing, so determining the factor rewards. And then we also saw the theory of economic welfare. So that's it for today. With this, I end my lecture today. I hope it helps. If so, then make sure to like, share, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.